Guys, so today we are here for this green Vatana Bhaji curry recipe. So let's start the recipes, guys. Firstly, I have taken 1 cup of green peas and then I have added 1 tablespoon of salt, little bit of sugar and let boil it. Pressure cooker for 3 whistles. So cover the pan, cover with the lid and close the lid of the cooker. For gravy, I have taken the chopped onion, tomato, cumin seeds, green chili, curry leaves and chopped coconut, dry coconut, ginger, garlic. So let's add all the masalas in the mixer, grinder or mixer jar. Let's add water. Water is optional and grind with a fine paste. And so we will prepare for the gravy, Vatana gravy. Let's heat a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and then let heat oil. Oil should be heated properly and then we are going to add mustard seeds in it. Let these mustard seeds splutter or crack very well. Till then we will strain this boiled Vatana. Take a strainer and strain this Vatana. So don't waste that water. Later we are going to use that water in the gravy. Just now I am straining it and here the mustard seeds is spluttered very well. And then we will add the paste of this masala which we have prepared already. And so here I have added all the mixture in the oil and here we need to cook this well. Let this masala cook it properly, guys. And so for that we will cover this pan with the lid and we will cook it for 2-3 minutes and then we are checking here after 2-3 minutes how the masala is leaving oil, the separating oil from masala. You can see here. And at this stage we will add 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. Red chili powder here you can add as per taste because already we have added green chili. Keeping that in mind, we have to add the red chili here. And then just I have added garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala powder. Cumin powder I have added 1 tablespoon. And then we will add the salt, 1 tablespoon as per our taste. We are going to add salt in it. And then let this mixture mix with these spices very well, guys. Let it cook, let it mix it very well, guys. And then here I have added the boiled green peas. Mix it properly with the mixture or with this masala. Here we need to close the lid and then we will cook it for 3 minutes. Here I am checking after 3 minutes. So I am sure that all the masala and this gravy is combined very well and then little bit oil is also separated here. And at this stage we are going to add water. Water we will add as per our consistency, as per gravy we want to keep the thickness of this gravy. So let's add water in it. Here I am using that green peas boiled water here. That is the leftover water of the green peas we have separated while we straining the Vatana. Then here we will cook it for 7 to 8 minutes. So let's check it after 8 minutes. You can see it how it is combined this Vatana and the gravy properly, guys. Little bit oil also separated, you can see it. And so at this stage I will switch off the flame. Here is the final look of our Vatana gravy. Please like and share to my channel, and if you are new to my channel please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.